Welcome! This video provides an overview of the University of Kentucky Cat Chat Family Community, a one-stop online hub with the information and resources you need to support your wildcat. The Cat Chat Family Community is a great way to stay up to date on University of Kentucky events, important announcements, helpful resources, and opportunities to stay connected with both the university and your wildcat. To get started, navigate to the UK Parents and Families website. Here you'll find important resources for wildcat parents and families, including information about Family Weekend, family resources, and answers to frequently asked questions. From this page, you can also access the Cat Chat Family Community. You can also search Cat Chat Family Community in your web browser or navigate directly to go.uky.edu/catchat. If your student listed your email address on their admissions application and opted you into receiving general communication from the university, your contact information will be added to the Cat Chat Family Community and you will receive a welcome email with a link to set up your account. If your student did not provide your contact information, you can sign up yourself. We welcome the parents, guardians, grandparents, and family members of our students to join if they are interested in receiving updates from UK. To get started, log in with your existing account or select Sign Up. On the Sign Up page, enter your first and last name, your email address, and create a password. When you're finished, click Create Account. Next, you'll complete a short questionnaire. This helps personalize your Cat Chat Family Community experience based on your interests and needs. Be sure to enter your student's name and UK student ID so your account can be connected to your wildcat. You'll answer a few additional questions to finish setting up your account. Don't worry, you can always update your preferences and community groups later. Once you've completed the questionnaire, click Let's Get Started to open your Cat Chat Family Community homepage. Now that you've created your account, you're ready to begin exploring the Cat Chat Family Community. From your homepage, you'll have access to your news feed, communities, calendar, resources, and more. Your news feed brings important information together in one place. Here, you'll find campus news, upcoming events and activities, helpful resources, and opportunities for both students and families. If you'd like to save a post to view later, click the star icon to add it to your favorites. You can also click on any of the social media icons to share a post with others. If you have a question about a post or want to share a thought about what you have read, you can write a comment. UK's Parent and Family team will answer questions you ask, and families are encouraged to share information with one another too. At any time, click the newspaper icon at the top of the page to return to your home page. The bell icon displays your notifications. Here, you can quickly view new announcements and upcoming university events. These notifications are also sent directly to your email inbox, so you won't miss important updates. The person icon in the top right corner opens a drop-down menu with your account settings. Here, you can update your personal information, manage your notification preferences, view your saved posts, and log out of your account. Let's start by clicking Edit My Profile. On this page, you can update your personal information and add any additional wildcats to your account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see an I'd like to menu with several options for managing your account. By clicking on Notifications, you can update the frequency in which you receive newsletters, as well as update other communication preferences. You can receive newsletters as often as weekly, but the default is a bi-weekly newsletter. By clicking Discover Communities, you can browse and join communities based on topics that interest you. These communities provide information and resources tailored to your interests and your students' experience. There's no limit to the number of communities you can join, so we encourage you to explore and join as many as you'd like. The communities you join also help personalize your news feed and newsletters, making it easier to see the information that's most relevant to you and your student. Now, click the newspaper icon in the top right corner of the screen to return to your homepage. On the left side of your homepage, you'll see all of the family communities you've joined. Click on any community to view posts, events, and resources related to that specific topic. Click on the newspaper icon to return to your homepage. On the right side of the homepage, you'll see the calendar. Click on any event to view more details. To see all upcoming events, click Calendar of Events. This page displays important university dates organized by month. Use the arrows in the top right corner to view upcoming or previous months. To add these events to your personal calendar, click the iCal link. Now, return to the homepage. Below the calendar, you'll find the Resources section. Here, you'll find quick links to important campus resources. Click any link to open the corresponding website in a new browser tab. Below Resources is the Support section. Here, you'll find the email address and phone number for the Parent and Family Engagement Team. We're always happy to connect with UK parents and families and help however we can. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance using the CatChat family community, please contact the Parent and Family Engagement Office. We're happy to help. Welcome to the Big Blue Nation.